What is NASA really? In order to give the U.S. space development endeavor a distinctly civilian focus, NASA was created in 1958, succeeding the National Advisory Committee for Aeronautics, NACA, with an emphasis on peaceful uses in space science. Since its founding, NASA has been responsible for overseeing the majority of American space exploration initiatives, including the Apollo moon landing missions, the Skylab space station, and later the Space Shuttle. In addition to managing the construction of the Orion spacecraft, the Space Launch System, commercial crew vehicles, and the envisioned Lunar Gateway space station, NASA supports the International Space Station. The organization is also in charge of the Launch Services Program, which manages the countdown to uncrewed NASA launches and oversees launch operations. NASA's science efforts are concentrated on improving our understanding of Earth through the Earth Observing System, advancing heliophysics through the Science Mission Directorate's Heliophysics Research Program, exploring the Solar System's bodies with cutting-edge robotic spacecraft like New Horizons, and studying astrophysics topics like the Big Bang through the Great Observatories and associated programs. The National Advisory Committee for Aeronautics, NACA, started testing rocket aircraft, like the supersonic Bell X-1, in 1946. For the International Geophysical Year, 1957 to 1958, there was a challenge to launch an artificial satellite in the early 1950s. This was a goal of the American Project Vanguard. The first artificial satellite in the world, Sputnik 1, was launched by the Soviet space program on October 4, 1957, drawing the attention of the United States to its own nascent space activities. The Sputnik Crisis, which the U.S. Congress regarded as a danger to national security and technical leadership, called for urgent and decisive action. President Dwight D. Eisenhower advised taking more considered response. The end result was a consensus that the White House forged among important interest groups, including basic research scientists, the Pentagon, which had to match Soviet military prowess, corporate America looking for new business, and a strong new trend in public opinion looking up to space exploration. Eisenhower signed the National Aeronautics and Space Act, creating NASA, on July 29, 1958. On October 1, 1958, NASA officially took over the 43-year-old NACA in full, including all of its 8,000 employees, $100 million annual budget, 3 significant research labs, Langley Aeronautical Laboratory, Ames Aeronautical Laboratory, and Lewis Flight Propulsion Laboratory, and 2 small test facilities.